my lovely friends, hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a super delicious stuffed fish with herbs. But if you're unable to get to restaurant, no problem. It doesn't have any matter. I'm here to teach you how to cook this super delicious food at home and enjoy with your beloved ones. Okay, let's go. First of all, we need fish. We need some herbs. For example, I prepared some garlics, walnuts, and coriander. Now I wanna start to chop these corianders, and let's go. Our coriander is ready. Look at the size, but I think it's gonna be more smaller than this. Let's do it again. I have to mix it a little bit more. And also you can add your walnuts in this stage and our fresh garlic. It's up to you to how much you want to mix these ingredients, because I just want to feel the walnuts on my mouth. I don't want to become so powdery and so pasty. It's up to you whatever you like. But gradually you should mix all of them to small size, like here. Look at the size, but it's not my preferred size. I just want to be a little bit smaller than this. I think it's enough. I just want to add my herbs. First of all, we add a little bit oil. We're frying all of these herbs. After a little bit frying of these herbs, I'm gonna add pomegranate paste, salt, and pepper. That's it. We mix them all good and put it back here. Okay, now I want to prepare my fish. Which type of fish that you like, you can choose for your stuffed fish. It doesn't matter. I want to have this type of fish. It's okay. I just now want to put my baking paper here. I put my fish. I add little bit salt, pepper, salt. Masala it so good. And get it ready for filling their stomach. Also, I forgot to mention that if you like, you can add little bit of mint with these herbs to get more freshy and more. I mean, the smell is so perfect and you enjoy. It's up to you. You can add or you cannot. It's preferable. I found this is my mint flour. I can a little bit add. I won't, because I really love the scent of mint in my food. You can try also the mixture of coriander with mint. Is super amazing. It smells same as heaven. You can try. Please try and give me your suggestion. Give me your comment about did you like that Was it so delicious? You know, before I cook my rice, what is the ingredients of my rice? It has coriander, dill with fresh garlic. That's it. Also, I forgot to mention that you can add little bit butter or oil or olive oil, but I prefer adding butter. I think it's more delicious. Da, 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 da. Ooh, I love you. We have little bit butter here. I will add it to my super delicious food. To prevent burning, I'll mix it gradually. And now it's time for adding pomegranate paste. Da-da-da-da. Mix it well, and for better combination, we can add a little bit water. I didn't throw this leftover of my herbs. I just added water to this leftover to mix with another ingredients like this. I added this water for better combination and better taste. This is my lovely daughter. This is my beautiful daughter, Mama. She's hungry. Guys, guess how old is she? Right for me. My love, my love. Look at my ears. It's ready. I cannot how to describe the smell of this piece of heaven. Well, now I'm gonna fill her beautiful stomach with these herbs. First of all, I should clean the water because before I added the salt and pepper and I washed it well. Now I just want to wipe the water and absorb the excess water in her stomach. Let's see. Like this. I push all of these ingredients like this very well. It's finished. Also, we can add a pinch of salt because stuffed. I don't want to add oil, but if you like, you can add. Here, as I show you. Ta-da! This is ready for going inside the oven. With let me show you. For 40 minutes from two sides with 200 centigrade degree. We are waiting for having this super delicious food. Our food is ready. Now I want to show you our result. Together, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-da! This is our final product. This is our bitter orange. It's so delicious. I mean, this is the perfect combination with fish. And also put another one here. And let's see another step of our food. This is our herbs, rice. The smell is wow. Look, it's amazing. I cannot stop myself to eat that whole only alone. With fresh garlic. And I want to show you another attractive story. Ooh la la! Wow, wow, wow. That's it. I suggest you to make this extremely super delicious food and enjoy with your family. Hope to see you soon. Love you so much.